Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel, my dear students. I hope you are watching the videos and getting benefited. Keep it in mind, the videos which I prepare for you will be beneficial only when after watching the video you practice the questions of the exercise given in your book. If you don't practice, everything will go in vain. So, after watching the video and understanding the things what I explain, to check it whether you have understood or not, you need to solve the questions of the exercise. This is my humble request from my viewers. Just for the sake you watch and like, I don't want such kind of activity. After watching the video, sit for 1 hour at least and solve the questions of the exercise given in your book. That is more important. Solving the questions is more important. So, when you watch my video, understand the things what I explain, solve the questions of the exercise. So, today I am going to solve the questions of the exercise 12b, which is based on the topic similar triangles. In the last video I explained you that what are the similar triangles. The similar triangles are those triangles in which their corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in proportion. There are 3 tests for the similarity of the triangles: SSS, SAS and AA or AAA. So, keep it in mind, when the triangles are similar, they are equal by angles and equal by ratios of the sides. Their sides are not equal, their sides are in equal ratios. So, we will be using the concept what we learned in the last video to solve the questions of the exercise 12b. Let us start with question number 1. We have diagram. In the diagram we have 2 triangles. Let us draw. The angles of the triangles are as 75, 55, 55, 80. What the question is, in each question of the 3 triangles, we have in the diagram 3 triangles. The question is, in each question of the 3 triangles, name one that is different, that is not similar to the other 2. Out of 3 triangles, the 2 triangles are similar, third one is different. So, we have to get that third triangle out of 3. So, as I told you, when the angles of the triangles are given, on the basis of the angles, we can say the triangle similar only when at least 2 angles of the triangles are equal. So, let us see 75, 55. Do we have 75, 55? No. Let us calculate the third one also. Here, when we add these 2 angles, we will get the sum as 75 plus 5. 80, 80 plus 5, 130. So this becomes 50 degree. Let us calculate the third angle of this triangle. 55 plus 80, 135, 135, 5, 140. This becomes 45 degree. Come to the third one. 80, 45, 125, 125 plus 5, 130, 55. So here in these three triangles, their angles are as 50, 75, 55, 55, 45, 80, 55, 45, 80. So these two triangles have their three angles equal, while here 75, 55 we have. Do we have 75 any angle here? No. So this one is different. This one is different. So we will write first one is different. I mean the last two are similar triangles. Keep it in mind, last two are similar triangles. The first one is different. Let's go to the second diagram. We have the angles are as actually in the diagram these three triangles are named as A, B and C. So which one is different? You will write first means the triangle A is different. Second one 145. Calculate the third one. I hope you know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So to calculate this angle we need to subtract the sum of these two angles from 180 degree. So their sum is 145, 145 plus 5, 50, 35 degree. Come to the second triangle which is mentioned by the symbol B. The angles are as 35 and 100. So this angle will be 45. Now third triangle. The angles are as 45, 25. Their sum is 45 plus 5, 50. It's 50, 20, 70, 110. So which one is different? I mean which two are similar triangles? I think these two, because 100, 45, 35 are its angles. 100, 45, 35 are the angles of the triangle B also. So these two triangles are similar while third one is different. So here the answer will be C. I hope you have got the idea. The triangles are similar when the three angles of one equal to the three angles of the other 1 by 1, or minimum two angles of one equal to the two angles of the other 1 by 1. Third one. What we have in third? We have these symbols. These symbols indicate that the sides are equal. Another one, we have a right angle triangle. This angle is 90 while this angle is 50. So let us calculate this angle. That will be 40, because 90 plus 50 is 140. So third one will be 180 minus 140, 40 degree. Come to the next one. Next one, we have these two sides of the triangle equal. This angle is 45. Okay, so I hope you know that this triangle is an isosceles triangle because its two sides are equal. So this side is called the base. So I hope you know. If not know, I tell you that on the base the angles formed are equal. In isosceles triangle, the third side, the two sides are equal, and third side is called the base. On the base, when the angles are formed, these two angles are formed, these are called the base angles. In every isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal, therefore this angle will also be 45 degree. So in these two triangles, here you can see that the symbol is missing. If this symbol is not given in here, the angle of the value of this angle is not given. If not given, then the question is wrong. The question is wrong. We need to make correction in this question, my dear students. There is misprinting in the question. So please do one correction. Here you make the symbol of 90 degree, which is not mentioned in the question. It is misprinting. So correct it. So since this angle, which is the vertical angle of this isosceles triangle, is 90, therefore the base angles will be, as I told you here, in isosceles triangle the base angles are equal. This angle is 90, so sum of these two will be 90, so each one of the base angles will be 45. So right here 45, there also 45, and then you can see that in this triangle and this triangle there is one more mistake. No, it is correct. So 45, this angle is 45 given, so this one will also be 45. Their sum is 90, so third angle will also be 90, correct? So this triangle, which is 90, in which the angles are 90, 45, here also 45, 90. So these two are the similar triangles. This one is a different one. So we will write the answer for this as B. Triangle B is the different than A and C. Let's go to question number 2. So there was one misprinting in the diagram. In triangle A, the symbol of 90 degree was missing. So please do that correction. Now question number 2. What do we have in this question? We have to write down the ratio of the corresponding sides for each pair of the triangles and check that it is the same. I repeat what the question is. Write down the ratio of the corresponding sides for each pair of the triangles and check that it is the same. Okay, let's draw the diagram. First, we have two triangles with their angles are as 80 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree. The triangle is ABC. So the angles of triangle ABC are as 40, 80, 60. Come to the second one, 80, 60, 40, 80, 60, 40, Y, X, Z. तो अब मैं आपको बता दूं कि इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा क्या है. वन मोर थिंग, लेट मी मेंशन 6, 4.57, 6, 4.57. These are the lengths of the sides of the triangle. First one here 9, 10.5, 6.75, 9, 10.5, 6.75. अब इस क्वेश्चन में पूछा क्या है पहले ये आप देखिए. इस क्वेश्चन में कहीं सिमिलैरिटी का नाम नहीं लिया है. ध्यान से सुनिए. लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. When the triangles are similar, then only the corresponding sides are in proportion. The corresponding angles are equal. So here we have two parts in the question. First, write down the ratio of the corresponding sides. If you don't know what is the meaning of corresponding sides of two different triangles, so corresponding sides are the sides which are opposite to the equal angles. I repeat, in two triangles, their corresponding sides means the sides opposite to the equal angles. तो पहले क्या पूछा है कि आप इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स के करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियोज को लिखिए. उसके बाद क्या बोला है, चेक करिए कि क्या वो रेशियोज इक्वल हैं. लिसन टू मी, अगर ट्रायंगल्स में एंगल्स इक्वल हैं तो ट्रायंगल्स सिमिलर होंगे और उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स इक्वल रेशियोज में तो होंगे ही होंगे. तो हमको चेक करना है, ठीक है, बट we will first write the three sides, we will write the three ratios of the corresponding sides. अभी बताया मैंने corresponding sides का मतलब क्या, the sides opposite to the equal angles. ये 80 किसके बराबर है, इस 80 के, तो इसके सामने का साइड AC और इसके सामने का साइड XZ. ठीक है, कहा है कि इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स के करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियोज लिखिए. चलिए लिखते हैं. पहला, AT के सामने AC, AT के सामने XZ, एक रेशियो मैंने लिख दिया. अब इसकी वैल्यू निकालता हूं, 7/10.5. अब रेशियो को थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं, 70/105, 21/14, 7 3 जा 21, 7 2 जा 14, 2/3. अब 40 के सामने, इस 40 के सामने जो साइड्स हैं उनका रेशियो लिखिए. दूसरा वाला BC अपॉन XY क्या होगा, 4.5 अपॉन 6.75, 450 अपॉन 675, 5 9 जा 45, 90, 5 13 जा 65, 5 5 जा 25. फिर 5 से कैंसिल करिए, 18, 27. फिर 9 से कैंसिल करिए, 9 2 जा 18, 2/3. फिर तीसरा 60 और 60 के सामने जो साइड्स हैं वो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स होंगे, उनका रेशियो लिखिए, AB अपॉन YZ. AB 6, YZ 9, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 2/3. तो मैंने इन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स के करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स का रेशियो लिख लिया. AC अपॉन XZ 2/3, BC अपॉन XY 2/3, AB अपॉन YZ 2/3. तो दो पार्ट पूछा था. पहला पार्ट कि इनके रेशियोज लिखिए, तो चलिए रेशियो लिख दें. तो क्या होगा रेशियो, AC अपॉन XZ कॉमा BC अपॉन XY कॉमा AB अपॉन YZ. फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर लिख दिया. दूसरा पार्ट में क्या पूछा है, आर दीज रेशियोज इक्वल. आप चेक करो, मैंने लिखा दिया है, ईच ऑफ द रेशियो हैज इट्स वैल्यू 2/3. तो आप लिखोगे यस. रेशियोज ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स are equal. I mean AC upon XZ is equal to BC upon XY is equal to AB upon YZ. ठीक. Second one, let's do second. Draw the diagram. What do we have? Two triangles. Their names are as M and L and PQR. The angles of these two triangles are as 30, 60, 90. The angles of this one are as 60, 30, 90. So in the first part, let us first write the lengths. 2.4, 16, 14, 8. All these are in millimeter, while the sides of the second one are in centimeter. 2.4, 1.2, 2.1. So as I said you, to write the three ratios of the corresponding sides, we will keep one thing in mind: the equal angles of the triangles. 30, 30. So sides opposite to them will be called the corresponding sides. तो रेशियो पहला वाला क्या बना? mn अपॉन QR. दूसरा वाला क्या बना? 60 के सामने ले लीजिए, ln अपॉन PQ. तीसरा रेशियो लिखिए 90 के सामने, LM upon PR. These are the three ratios, first part's answer. Now the second part is check whether these ratios are equal. So these ratios are equal only when they have the same value. So we will write the length. अब देखिए mn 8 millimeter upon QR 1.2 centimeter. ठीक, दूसरे पे आइए, ln 14 PQ 2.1 सेंटीमीटर. तीसरे पे आइए, lm 16 मिलीमीटर. PR 2.4 सेंटीमीटर. अब क्या करना है, आपको चेक करना है कि तीनों इक्वल हैं कि नहीं. आपको पता है कि 1.2 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 12 मिलीमीटर, 1 सेंटीमीटर मीन्स 10 मिलीमीटर. तो ये क्या हो गया, 8 मिलीमीटर अपॉन 12 मिलीमीटर. कैंसिल करा दीजिए, 2/3. यहाँ पे आइए, 14 मिलीमीटर अपॉन 21 मिलीमीटर, 2/3. तीसरे पे आइए, 16 millimeter upon 24 millimeter, 2/3. Yes, the ratios of the corresponding sides of these two triangles, which are similar also, are equal. So my dear students, the question number 3 and others we will do in the next video. So I hope you like, share and subscribe my video. Wait for the next video to come. Till then, bye bye.